Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a tutorial on the removal of makeup and dirt on the face, and I'm also going to be using all literally sensitive skincare products strictly, and then after I've done all the removal of my makeup, I'm not very much, I just literally went for a jog, my daily exercise routine, and if you want to know more about that, just look at my previous videos. And then after I've done the removal, I'm going to be using the soothing sheet mask, and this is a Korean mask, and guys, these are so good. Like, I've literally added these to my skincare routine. They're actually outstanding. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the Clean Victorious Cleansing Face Foam. And one thing, I'm just going to shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And obviously just make sure that your hands are clean before you do this procedure. And guys, it smells really good. It smells really good. But to be honest, when it comes to like facial products, I prefer when I can't smell them. Because for some reason I feel like when I can't smell it, it's doing more for my skin, which is really weird. But that's how I think anyway. And what this is doing, this is going beyond what the wipes may remove and what the water may remove. This just goes a bit more in depth. I'm just really massaging it into my skin. I'm just going to add a bit more to my forehead. And guys, you know I always use a lot of product. You know how I am. And guys, it's very important that you remove all makeup properly, carefully, and both delicately. Because if you want to see a difference in your skin, number one, your diet. Number two, your daily routine. And number three, how you go about removing your makeup. Are you rushing it, or are you actually taking your time? And then what you simply do, you simply can get water and splash it on your face. Guys, everything is dropping. You can simply just get water and literally just wash it away. And guys, I'm using cold water because I'm reviving the skin. I'm opening my pores. I want the products to get in. I just don't want them to sit on the surface. And guys, it's actually so much easier without nails. Now that it's quarantine, I'm starting to see how easy life is without nails. Ooh. Now, what I'm going to do is use the Simple Facial Gel Wash, and this deeply cleanses without leaving the skin feeling tight, because some facial products, when you use them, you literally can't even do this because your face just feels so tight and it feels like it's gonna rip. So this is what I'm gonna use next, and this is dermatologically tested, and it simply just says, in your hands work a small amount and then lather it onto the skin and massage it on wet skin. So what you can do, you can then go back over your face and then just add a little bit of water after you've just stabbed it with your towel. Not too much water. And as you can see, my hands are wet. And then I'm just going to rub the gel in very gently. And because it's a gel, you don't need to overdo it because it lathers in really easily. I'm just using both hands will mean that you really get to work it into your skin even better. And just remember, this is a gel. Guys, I guarantee you, after all of this, there won't be no traces of any dirt or makeup. Now I'm just going to use this to remove the gel. And I always make sure that I still go over my face once more. Guys, my face just feels so fresh, literally so revived. And then now I've done that, I can then get some water and go over my face. See? This is all of the product on my face. Now, I'm just gonna dab my face very gently, and then, you know, you always leave the best for last. Oh my gosh, what's going on? No one even told me what is going on. Guys, just ignore that. The best for last. The Soothing Sheet Mask. And this is packed with natural goodness, antioxidants and nutrients, and it tones and firms your skin, and your skin is left feeling soothed and refreshed with this pampering facial experience. And then it says to leave it on for 15 minutes. Oh, love how like well moisturized they are. They can never dry out, can they? No chance in these drying out, honestly. And guys, please remember to take out the nose, because a lot of people I see doing facials and they always forget the nose part, and the nose is where the blackheads and whiteheads do build up, and that's my problem area. I know there's also a lot of other people's problem area as well. And guys, of course it's not going to be your fit, because everyone has different sized faces. Guys, just ignore me. I don't know why my eyes opened that wide just now, honestly. I think because I heard something outside, so it startled me a little bit. Okay. And if you are a perfectionist, of course you can get rid of all those lines. Who says you can't? Get rid of all those bubbles. Every time you move it, everything comes out of place. It's so annoying. Okay, and then just leave it on for 15 minutes and then just watching it do its work. And guys, I've got other sheet masks, Korean sheet masks, so please tune into those. And like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my page. And comment below. I'm just going to relax with this, read a book, and just, I don't know, just chillax. That's what I'm going to do, chillax. And that's what I want you lot to do, chillax. So guys, like, comment and subscribe.